Choosing the right torque wrench is essential for accurate tightening and avoiding damage to bolts, parts, or tools. Too much torque can strip threads, while too little can cause loosening and safety risks. That's why torque wrenches are a must-have for car repairs, bike maintenance, motorcycle work, and DIY projects. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best torque wrenches, from classic micrometer styles to advanced digital models. We analyzed features, accuracy, build quality, and real user feedback to make this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Number 5. LIXIU 1/2-inch drive micrometer torque wrench. The LIXIU 1/2-inch drive torque wrench is a reliable micrometer-style tool with an adjustable range of 10 to 210 Newton meters. Designed for cars, bicycles, and motorbikes, it delivers consistent torque with a clear mechanical click to prevent over-tightening. The solid steel construction feels durable and balanced in hand, while the easy-to-read scale allows quick adjustments. It's ideal for users who want a simple, no-electronics torque wrench that offers dependable accuracy for regular garage or workshop use. Number 4. ARITER Adjustable Dual-Scale Torque Wrench. The ARITER torque wrench stands out with its wide 10 to 330 Newton-meter range and dual unit scale in N.M and LBF.T for flexible use. Available in 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive options, it's suitable for motorcycle, car, and general repair tasks. The adjustable and replaceable head adds versatility, while the sturdy ratchet mechanism ensures smooth operation. Clear markings and strong build quality make this a great choice for users who need a powerful, multi-purpose torque wrench. Number 3. LIBRATON 1/4-inch Bike Torque Wrench Set. The LIBRATON 1/4-inch torque wrench is designed specifically for bike and precision work, with torque ranges of 1 to 6 Newton meters and 5 to 25 Newton meters and an accuracy of plus or minus 3%. It ensures safe tightening of delicate components like stems, seat posts, and carbon parts. The compact size offers excellent control, and the included bits make it a complete set for cyclists. If accuracy and lightweight handling matter most, this torque wrench is an excellent pick. Number 2. FENNEC Digital Open-End Torque Wrench. The FENNEC Digital Torque Wrench features an electronic open-end spanner head with a torque range of 6.8 to 135 Newton meters. It uses LED indicators and a buzzer alert to signal when the target torque is reached, reducing guesswork and improving accuracy. The digital display is clear and easy to read, making it perfect for professional repairs and precision tasks. Ideal for users who prefer modern digital feedback over traditional click-type torque wrenches. Number 1. MoveCrab Digital Torque Wrench with Interchangeable Heads. The MoveCrab Digital Torque Wrench is the most advanced option on this list. It offers precise adjustment from 6.8 to 135 Newton meters with both ratchet and open-end interchangeable heads. The digital display provides accurate readings in Newton meters and feet-pounds, making it suitable for automotive, mechanical, and industrial use. Alerts ensure perfect torque every time, while the versatile head system replaces multiple tools. A premium choice for professionals and serious DIY users. A good torque wrench ensures safety, accuracy, and long-lasting repairs. From simple mechanical models to advanced digital tools, these 5 options cover every need and budget. Whether you work on bikes, cars, or machines, there's a perfect torque wrench here. Which one would you choose? Comment below and subscribe for more tool reviews.